Hey IG Garage family! Have you been experiencing rough idling or maybe a lack of power when accelerating? If you've seen the dreaded P0075 code pop up on your scanner, you're in the right place. This code is all about the intake valve control solenoid circuit, and if it's acting up, it can impact your car's performance big time. Today, I'll show you where this solenoid is located, explain what's causing the issue, and give you a quick fix. Let's dive in. So, what's code P0075 all about? This code points to an issue with the intake valve control solenoid. This solenoid controls the timing of your intake valves, which is crucial for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. When the solenoid has a circuit issue, it can cause rough running, stalling, or loss of power. Now let's talk about location, which is super important for this fix. The intake valve control solenoid, also known as the VVT, variable valve timing solenoid, is usually located near the top of the engine, on or near the cylinder head. It's often positioned close to the intake manifold, and has an electrical connector attached to it. You'll find it on either the left or right side, depending on your car's engine layout. Getting the right location is essential to avoid messing with the wrong component. This little part might be small, but it plays a huge role in how smoothly your engine runs. Symptoms of a faulty intake valve control solenoid include rough idling, sluggish acceleration, or even poor fuel economy. Common causes could be a faulty solenoid, a corroded connector, or issues with the wiring leading to the solenoid. To fix this, start by inspecting the solenoid and its electrical connections for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. If the solenoid itself is faulty, you may need to replace it. Simply disconnect the connector, unbolt the solenoid, and swap it out for a new one. Once installed, reconnect everything and clear the P0075 code with your scanner. After the repair, clear the code and take your car for a quick spin. If the issue was with the solenoid, you should notice smoother acceleration and improved performance. And that's how you tackle code P0075. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more hands-on car tips with IG Garage. For more repairs, check out these related videos. First up, check out our video on P0238 to learn about turbo boost sensor issues, and don't miss P0315 if you're dealing with crankshaft position problems. Thanks for watching IG Garage. See you next time.